rooms here within the facility. So what I'm going to ask you to do right now will be to go onto the Stellar site and to obtain a model that's listed there under the example models that's called the Ophthalmology department. This is actually a model that was provided as part of the sample models of earlier versions of AnyLogic, and for whatever reason it's not currently distributed as part of it, so I'm only making it available to people in this class. But you should be able to find a zip file on the Stellar site. And you should be able to download that and extract an ophthalmology ALP file, ophthalmology department ALP, which I'd like you to open. Okay, hi.
Thank you so much for responding to my
Oh, no,
idea.
no problem. Maybe we could talk a little bit during break and after class.
Yeah, that'd be great.
That would be good. I had an unexpected request yesterday that caught me up yesterday, but today would be good to talk, actually. So came in at just the right point. So what I was describing is today we're going to be looking, because of some student demands, at how AnyLogic supports process-oriented modeling, patient flow modeling, because several student projects are seeking to combine this with agent-based modeling, and we'll be showing how that can be done. We've notably finished the portion of the class which was spent on building up a vocabulary of agent-based modeling, and because we're past the basics of that. Basics including state charts, stocks and flows within agents, parameters, variables, events, agent mobility, spatial location, network location. Because we've covered a lot of the basics there, increasingly what I'm going to be talking about in this class are AnyLogic's additional tools that apply to multiple types of modeling. For example, calibration. For example, sensitivity analysis. For example, intervention simulation. These apply whether you're building an AnyLogic system dynamics model, an agent-based model, or a discrete event model. Today, we're going to be looking at discrete event models, in part because they are featured in some student projects and because they mesh so well with the basics of what we've seen with agent-based models. And there's a very nice way you can combine them. So today we're going to have a sort of whirlwind look at support of patient flow modeling, of modeling of individuals flowing through processes. And to that end, I would like to ask people to go to the Stellar site for the course and download a model called Ophthalmology department.zip. Now, if anyone has problems, I could distribute it to you on a thumb drive, but otherwise, if you could do it, would you like that?
I can open the file and download it.
Okay, sure. So what I'll do is just put it onto here, and we'll get it over to you. Does anyone else need this as well? So it's on the Stellar site, and that's the course website. And if you go there, you should see a set of example models, and there should be one called Ophthalmology department.zip. But I will provide this right now on this thumb drive, so if anyone prefers that, I can give that to you. Okay, so this is down here, and it's Ophthalmology Department AnyLogic 622 is what it's formally called. Okay, so I've just copied it to this drive. I will start to circulate this, and if anyone's still having trouble finding it. So you got it? Okay, there you go. The main folder, the root folder of the drive. Okay, and other people need it too?
Was this in the example models that you
No, it's actually a separate file is uploaded there, and one of the reasons is because this is actually an AnyLogic created sample model that's no longer provided with the latest version of AnyLogic. So it's kind of different than the others in the sense that the others are at least modified by me. Okay, so it's a zip file, and then you need to open it, and you can grab out the ALP file from within it, as you would with other zip files. You should be able to pull that out, and I'll be going through this on the screen too, so it's not a disaster if you don't have it, but it'll be helpful to sort of follow along. So I was just mentioning if you could go to the website and download Ophthalmology Department. There's an Ophthalmology Department. It says AnyLogic 622.zip or something like that. It's also on the root folder. Yes, maybe we'll just pass it around. Okay.
Does that have the ophthalmology?
Sorry.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, that's the Ophthalmology Department. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start along these lines, and if anyone is having